Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to connect it without internet on Moto G37. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, restart phone. Just click and hold side power button and volume up button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system. After click on system, click on reset option and click on reset mobile network settings. Click on reset settings, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app, click on display. Sorry, go back, scroll down and click on notifications and click on do not disturb if you want to fix this problem. So make sure turn off do not disturb. After turn off do not disturb, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So after the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.